What's up, guys? How's it going? To be honest, we're not really going to be doing too much today because it's raining, and it's going to continue to rain for the next 2 to 3 days, and that's not great. But that does give me a great opportunity to clean out the garage and actually give myself a place to skate for when it rains and for when the snow falls in a couple months. Because if you didn't already know, I live in Canada, and for about 2.5 to 3.5 months every year, there's just snow everywhere. And there's nowhere to skate, we have no indoor skate park, and there's no good indoor spots. So, I'm going to clean out his place to skate, I'm going to get some footage, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you when I'm done cleaning the garage. So, quick update, I just finished cleaning out the garage and I finished sweeping out all the dust that I could, because you probably can't see it, but at the end of every session in here, your board is completely caked in dust. It's like a completely different color. It's like a really light gray, just from being covered in dust. And I'm not really about it, and I have something for taking the dust off, which I'll show you later, but for now, I kind of want to build a manual pad. I'm not really sure if there's enough room or if I can actually find enough stuff to build one, but I have quite a lot of stuff, and my favorite thing to warm up on is a manual pad, so I'm going to see if I can build one, throw it together, and get some footage on it. Alright, let's see what I can do. This thing right here is flimsy at best. I made it out of a piece of plywood and 4 legs of an air hockey table that I had when I was like 12. So they're super old. They're falling apart by themselves. I don't know how this is going to go. It should be alright though. I think I can get a manual and a nose manual on it. And if I can't, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself if I can't get these. So, one quick thing. This right here is a sand belt cleaner, or it could be called grip gum if you buy it from, I guess, Grip Gum, whatever company makes grip gum. But it is a sand belt cleaner, and you can buy them on Amazon. This thing is a must-have for when you're skating in your garage or any really dusty warehouse or dusty place, because it gets the dust off really good. Dirt or wax or stuff that's really grimed in there, it won't take it off. No matter how hard you try, it won't take it off. But I'm gonna do a quick comparison, and I'm gonna show you that it looks a lot better when you use this. It gives it a lot more grip too. So take a look at the board right now. I'm gonna put one line down the middle, and then we're gonna compare it. Can you see that line? Yeah, you can see it. That line down the middle is just from the dust, just from this session. So if I rub my entire board with that sand block cleaner or sand belts with that belt sander cleaner, this whole board will be completely clean almost. Completely clean almost. Almost. What's up, guys? That's gonna be it. I cleaned the garage, had a session on the manual pad, and had a session on the flat ground, and I had a great time despite the rain. The only thing was, it took me a really long time to do a lot of those flat ground tricks and a couple of the tricks on the manual pad. It took me a really long time, and they were still kind of sketchy, so I'm gonna take them. That's it. It's over. So I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, thanks for watching.